Let's prepare Ogbono soup by adding in the goat's meat and the pots. Like I said, feel free to use whatever protein of your choice. And I'll season this up with salt, Maggi cubes, chicken flavor with blended chili and onion. I'll add a little bit of water and allow this to simmer for 5 minutes. And in a separate pot, I'll go ahead and add in my Kpomo and Sharki. I like to cook this separately, not to overpower the taste of my soup. I'm also going to season the Sharki and Kpomo the same way I season the goat's meat. I'm going to add enough water that allows this to cook until soft. I'm going to check back on the goat's meat, and here I will add more water and allow this to cook. Now our meat is tender. I will scoop it out, set it aside for grilling. This method helps you control how soft or strong your meat will come out. And I'm going to go ahead and mix the stock together, add in dried fish and pre-cooked Kpomo. Stir this together and allow to continue cooking. Here I will pop in our meat right into the oven and allow to grill. While our meat is grilling, I'll then blend up ogbono. After blending my ogbono, I'll then add in some palm oil. There are so many ways you can break down the lumps of your ogbono, but I choose to use this method in this soup. I'll then go back to my pot, add in my periwinkles, and then place in the ogbono inside the soup. Cover and allow this to cook. A few minutes later, I'm going to take out the ogbono, add in my crayfish, stir and mix ogbono to form a watery paste, and I'll then pour it right into the soup pot immediately and stir together. I'll continue stirring this until my ogbono comes together. I'll then go ahead and lower the heat and allow this to cook. Please allow your ogbono to cook for about 20 minutes for you to enjoy that ogbono flavor that you desire. I'm going to go ahead and add meat stock. Please feel free to add water or meat stock according to the consistency you want your ogbono to be. It's very important for you to understand that ogbono easily gets oversalted. So at this point, do not add any salt. Just cook on low heat and keep stirring to avoid getting burnt. I'll then go ahead and top in my smoked mackerel to elevate the flavors. I'll cover this and allow to cook for 10 minutes while setting my eyes on it. 10 minutes later, you can see our ogbono is bubbling. Here I'll be adding in my grilled meat. This method allows you to control the texture of your meat. And also feel free to use whatever vegetables of your choice. But in this, I'll be using a little bit of Bitterleaf and also water spinach. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes, then turn off my heat and immediately dish this into sizable containers that I will refrigerate it with. This allows the soup to remain fresh and tasty anytime you want to use it.